This isn't sponsored or promotional in any way. I don't benefit from sharing these apps. The goal is simply to save you time by showing the best free options to control your Vizio TV, along with their features and compatibility. The first app on our list is Shure Universal Smart TV Remote. This one is an award-winning universal remote app that goes far beyond just controlling your TV. It controls your entertainment system and smart home devices, lets you stream media to your TV, share files, and even use voice commands. It works with both Wi-Fi and infrared, making it versatile for different devices. With over 10 million installs on Android, it's highly popular and works on Android 5.0 and up, as well as iOS 10 or later. The app is free with a premium plan available if you want extra features. Next up is Peel Me Remote. This app is designed mainly for Xiaomi phones that have an infrared blaster, and it doubles as a universal remote plus a personalized TV guide. It controls your TV and set-top box, recommends shows, lets you set reminders, and even integrates with streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Roku. Peel Me Remote has over 1 million installs, is free to use, but it's only available for Android phones running version 4.1 or later. Moving on, we have Vizio SmartCast Mobile Trademark, which is the official Vizio app. This one is especially useful because it gives you full control over your TV, lets you launch apps directly, and even type on your TV using your phone's keyboard. You can adjust volume, play and pause content, swipe to navigate, and even dive into advanced settings like aspect ratio and picture calibration. It also gives you access to free TV shows, movies, and music. With over 1 million installs, this app works across various Android devices and requires iOS 16 or later for Apple users. Best of all, it's completely free. The fourth option is TV Remote Control for Vizio, a lightweight and simple replacement remote app. If your Vizio remote is broken or just out of batteries, this app turns your phone into a quick replacement using its IR blaster. It has a clean interface that looks just like a physical remote, and it supports manual configuration if needed. With more than 100,000 installs, this app is free to use, compatible with Android 4, 0.3 and up, and iOS 11 or later. Finally, we have VizControl, a free app that works over Wi-Fi or with IR-enabled phones. It covers all the basic Vizio remote functions, works within 3 to 15 feet, and even lets you set up streaming services like Netflix and Amazon Prime. Haptic feedback is included for a more natural feel. It's compatible with Android 4.4 and newer, iOS 13.1 and later, and has over 100,000 installs. Whichever you choose, these apps are lifesavers when your remote is lost, broken, or just out of power. Subscribe and like.